Much better. Masarap. Sarap. Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we're preparing tofu. Tofu cooked in very simple way. Meron tayong green onions. We have chili, ginger, some soy sauce, a little of oyster sauce, and of course our tofu. Okay? So we'll prepare. Putulin natin mabuti yung onions natin. Again, all of this have been pre-washed, no? Okay. Yan. I'm cutting this on a bias kasi para maganda yung itsura niya. Kasi it's a very simple dish. It's easy to cook. It's quick to cook. Pero maganda pag sinerve mo. Maganda yung itsura niya. Yan. Okay. So yan. Okay. Tatabi natin ito. Put it here. We do our chili. Ang kukunin yung chili, ito yung mahaba na chili para wag yung malabuyo kasi masyado mainit yan. This one, you want this kind of chili para kahit damihan mo siya, hindi mataas yung temperature niya. And then the flavor is really good. Pwede mo siyang kainin na hindi siya masakit yung dila mo sa init. Okay? There. Then last ingredient natin, ginger. Balatan natin siya. Manipis lang ang balat ng ginger, so pwede mo siyang ganun lang ng kutsilyo. Scratch mo lang siya. Okay. Pino lang, oh. Kaya lang ka pino. Okay, there you go. At this point, puputulin naman natin yung tofu. Sasabihin natin initin yung wok natin. And then habang ininit natin yan, lagyan natin ng we'll be using Doña Elena Pomace olive oil for frying. Okay. So we'll make our tofu golden brown. Tapos yan, tsaka natin isosaute yung tsaka natin isosaute yung mga spices natin and other ingredients. Yan. Okay. Should be good. So habang pinapainit natin yung wok natin, putulin natin itong ating tofu. Ayan. Yan. In half lang. Delicate talaga ng tofu. Sarap ng tofu because it's really loaded with proteins, no? And siyempre, ang source ng tofu is soybeans. And then, it's healthy, it's nutritious, and very affordable yung presyo yung price ng tofu. You can eat this every day in so many forms. Merong hard tofu, meron naman soft tofu, meron naman yung early stage ng tofu is taho, no? That's served with arnibal and sago. Favorite ko yun. Sarap-sarap nun. Okay? Siguro mga 1 more minute para uminit itong wok natin. Maganda is oiled yung buong paligid niya. Yan. Pwede. So, ito na yung mga ingredients natin. It's all there. Put them all in front of you. Saan yung all? Then, no? Para hindi mo makalimutan, hindi niluluto mo. And then, we'll prepare pepper. Okay. So, mamaya, pag ginawa natin yung sauce natin, andyan na lahat. And then, lagyan natin ng, we'll be using soy sauce. We will be using oyster sauce. We'll be using sesame oil. Ganun lang siya. Ganun lang ka-basic. At this point, mainit na yung oil natin. We will cook the tofu first, no? Yan. Yung tofu muna. Yung golden brown natin yung tofu. Okay. Sige. So, maganda na. Almost golden brown na yung tofu natin. Nice. Hanguin natin siya. Okay. Hanguin. And then let the oil drip. Put it on the side muna. Yan. Tatabi natin to. Okay. Okay. Yun. From this point, hinaan natin ng konti yung fire natin. Put in a little water. Just a little water. Put in din yung soy sauce. Okay, here we go. Ganito lang yan. Put in yung soy sauce. Put in a little water. And then, lagyan natin ng oyster sauce. There you go. Just a little. Put in your pepper. Put in your chili. Put in your ginger. Bagsak ko lang lahat dyan. Okay. Then, haluin natin. Haluin natin siya. Then, and let it cook. No? Pagluto na yung chili natin. Yun. Mas maganda na yung luto ng sauce niya. Good. Okay. Very high heat na siya ngayon. Okay. Just like that. Ilalagay natin babalik natin yung tofu. And we'll put in our greens. There. Kanti pa. Good. A little of oil. Sesame seed oil. Nice. Okay. Serving plate. Okay. That's it. Walang sa kablis. Turn it off and then serve. And here is our spicy tofu. Let's try this. Okay. We'll add Doña Elena extra virgin olive oil dito sa dish natin. Yun. Try it. Much better. Masarap. Sarap. Yan yung Asian fusion cuisine. Yun eh. Minimix nila yung Asian cooking and European or French cooking. Pati mga ingredients. So it's unconventional pero Yun na yung uso ngayon eh. Sarap. Good. Tama-tama yung spice niya. You think na maraming sili, it's very spicy. No, tama-tama lang yung heat niya. And onions, pati yung garlic. Sarap. Wow. Like this. I really like this. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at Home. Please like, subscribe, and press on the notification bell. And enjoy cooking this with your friends, no? Serve this with your family, and always serve this with a smile. I'll see you again next time. Bye.